Hello, this is Irina from La La Land Crafts. I am back with day 12 of our 12 days of tutorials. We made it all the way through to day 12. I really appreciate all of your support. I appreciate you helping me keep going. It was quite a commitment for me, but we are here now. And today's project is going to be quick and easy. I know you're all busy with the holidays activities, and you probably made all of your Christmas cards already, but I still wanted to do a Christmas project or winter project because this will probably be my one of the last ones, if not the last one for this year. So I'm still using our winter and our latest release stencils and the stamps. And we're going to make something that is kind of like a boxed gift card holder, something like that. I've never made this project before, so this will be a journey for all of us. We're going to do this together. Quickly wanted to mention that if you're just now joining on the day 12, you still have time to go back and watch all of the videos from day one, starting from day one, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment on each of the videos to be entered into the giveaway for one of $50 gift certificates to our online store, to lalalandcrafts.com. We're going to announce the winners on Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. We want to give everybody time to go through all of the videos. We know, once again, we know it's busy time, and we appreciate you supporting us by watching the videos. So let's move on to our project. I have a few things here, not many, that are already cut and die cut. I have 2 pockets, and this is from our latest release. I'm going to stencil on top of the pockets with the snowflakes from It's Snowing stencil set. It comes as a set of 2. The snowflakes is the one I'm using today. And I'm using Broken China Distress Oxide ink. I really love the soft effect of the oxide inks with the stencils. Just looks so very pretty. And as you can see, my fingers are getting inky, and I don't mind it. But if you don't like having ink on your fingers, you can always wear gloves. So pretty. One thing I wanted to show you before I put my stencil away, if you're working on another project, or even if you have some journal pages that you have, you can clean your stencil onto the page, onto the layer. So see, it still has a lot of ink left on it. So if I go and clean it, I'm still pushing all of this ink through my stencil, but it's much softer because I'm using baby wipe, so it creates a little bit softer effect. But this way you're not wasting any ink. This pretty? Sorry, I'm all full of tips and tricks. Okay, so next one, I have some layers cut already here. And I have 2 larger and 2 smaller rectangles. I'll post all of the measurements in the video description, as well as the links to all of the products that we are using today. I'm going to use Sweater Weather background stamp. As you can see, I just tapped ink into it, and I'm going to put my layers facing down, then cover this scrap piece of paper and rub into it. This background stamp set is one of my favorites. I really love how this comes out, and I know I'll be using it a lot for winter and for fall occasions. Doesn't have to be Christmas. I'm going to glue them onto the larger parts. And this just gives me a little bit of the white border all the way around, and I think it kind of enhances the design. Now I have my large scalloped rectangle. This is the largest one from the set, and I already have it scored. I have 2 lines scored here. I'll post the measurements for you in the video description. And I'm going to glue these layers on each side. Okay, so this gives us a little holder like this. Pretty. Now I have my pockets already folded on the score lines, and I'm going to put score tape on the inside flaps of one of the pockets. And I'm going to put my 2 pockets together to create a little box. I'm going to line this up. Remove the backing tape here and close it. Then I'm going to move it, fold it to the other end. Remove backing tape from here and close this little box. And now I'm going to close the bottom. Fold this. Hold it nice and straight and close it. Isn't it cute? Isn't it a neat idea to have a little box instead of just a pocket? This is just awesome. I love how we can use the same dies in so many different ways. Now I'm going to put it in my little holder so we have it inside like this. So cute. Going to put little maybe score tape on the bottom. And put it in, and then I'm going to close the sides. So put this in the center. And now I'm going to close the sides on each side. So see, it can be standing like this, and you can put, if you're given a little piece of jewelry or tea bag. I don't think the hot cocoa will fit in here, but many other different things will. A gift card, some cash, you'll figure out what to fit in there. And of course you can make this from different colors, using different colors and using different designs of the die cuts and embellishments, and this can be used for obviously for any occasion. I really love how it turned out. Now I'm going to embellish the front, and the front I'm going to have where my folds are towards the back, so this will make my front. I'm going to use this little bear that I already colored, and he is from Polar Bears. It's a rubber stamp set that comes with 2 bears and the sentiment. I'm using 2 trees to put behind him, and then I have the sentiment already stamped, and that's the sentiment that comes from the same set with the bear. I already have adhesive on the back, so I'm just sticking that in, and my bear goes right here. Adorable. Just adorable. Okay, so now on the front I'm going to add the bow here, just embellish it a little more. And this bow is from the newer die. It's called Jingle Bells wreath. It comes with the wreath and jingle bells and this pretty bow. I'm going to put it right here. Just make it a little more festive, and maybe I'll put, yep, and I'm going to put a pearl in the center. Really kind of brightens it up. And then on the back I have 2 labels die cut, and they come in the same set as the pocket. So I'm going to glue them together, and then I'm going to use one of the trees from the 2 Christmas trees die. It's the same die we used on the front, and I'm going to tuck it behind my my oval. So I'm going to put a little adhesive here, add my tree from the back, and then glue this whole thing onto the large label. I hope you've been enjoying our series, and to try my best to do more tutorials in the coming year. And now I'm going to put all of this onto the back. Going to add pearls here too. And I think this spot on the back with the label would be a good spot to write to and from. There you go. So that is all. As you can see, really cute but really quick little box to make. I hope you like it. I hope you'll give it a go and make one for yourself to give as a gift. And please come back on Wednesday when we announce our winners. That is all for now. Bye. See you on Wednesday. Much love.